Hi everybody. If you've seen my other video, you know that we've made graham cracker bread, and now we're going to do what we need to do with it. We're going to make a s'more sandwich. So here I've got some chocolate spread, marshmallow spread, like spreading marshmallow. Okay, now let's make it. This marshmallow spread is made with, I think I've lost my mind, I don't remember words. It's made with egg whites, honey, or corn syrup. We use honey. I think I got too much. And we use, did I say egg whites? Well,
yeah, you said egg whites.
Okay, thank you. Water or something, I forgot. But it was kind of liquidy. I wasn't there for the whole thing. My mom made most of it. But I do know it's good. And that's the best part. I'm going to let my brother finish his, and then we'll head to the frying pan. Okay, I've got my s'more sandwich and my pan with butter in it at medium-high heat, and I'm just going to put these guys in there. Well, this guy in here. We just want these to be toasted, and then we're gonna eat them, which is the best part.
We just pulled
these guys out of the frying pan. They're nice and toasty. Now we're going to cut these guys open and see how they are inside. Can you see that? Okay.
That's nice. Oh, it's like chocolate cake.
Kind of, yeah.
Hot. It's hot, but also good.
Yeah. I think we're going to make this recipe
Tomorrow.
every single day. Hot! Stay tuned if you like this, and if you really love this, make sure to press subscribe. Very, very good. If you like this, you can also tell your friends, hey, I like